Children, I am Dr. Vijay Kumar, State Academic Coordinator, UP East. I am associated with National Children's Science Congress from last 17 years. This program is organized at district level, at state level and at national level. At each level, you have to present a project report, charts, and with the help of charts, 8-minute oral presentation. Many of you are asking questions like how to prepare project report, how to prepare 4 charts, and how to prepare oral presentation. I have prepared separate videos for each. In this video, I will tell you how to prepare 4 charts. But before preparation of charts, complete your research work in a rough copy called as logbook. Then prepare project report first, and then on the basis of project report start preparing 4 charts. Then on the basis of these 4 charts prepare oral presentation of 8 minutes. It means the sequence and the quality of your oral presentation is depend on the sequence of the information on these charts. Children, I have mentioned earlier that you have to prepare project report first. Learn how to prepare project report from videos available on my YouTube channel. When you prepared project report and learn about all the headings and their sequence, then you can prepare chart easily. Children, for your convenience, I have mentioned all the headings, that is 20 headings covered in the project report. The sequence of 20 headings in the project report is first cover page, then form A, then summary, then index, then map, then introduction, then reason of selection, then hypothesis, then objectives, then methodology, then action plan, then experiment, survey, observation and data collection, then analysis of data, then result and conclusion, then solution of problem, then impact on society, then follow up action, then acknowledgement, then references, then enclosures. So do not miss any heading, because if you missed any, you will miss the sequence or you will disturb the sequence of information. So let's learn how to prepare good charts. When you start preparing charts, there are many questions arises in your mind. What you have to include from project file, or what is the sequence of information on these charts. For convenience, I have developed 4 charts. Chart number 1, as shown in the slide, shows the minimum information required to be mentioned on chart 1, that is your school name, focal theme and sub-theme. If you want to learn more about focal theme and sub-theme, the videos are available on my YouTube channel. After focal theme or sub-theme, mention project title, group leader name, group member name or guide teacher name. You may also paste map of area of work and summary. Map should be geographically correct. You should have knowledge of direction, knowledge of symbols used in map. At the bottom of this first chart, also mention your district and state. Then after chart 1, prepare chart 2. This is an important chart. It includes hypothesis, objectives and methodology. So on the top, write down the hypothesis. Hypothesis states your predictions about what your research will find, or you can say it is a tentative answer to your research question that has not yet been tested. In other words, hypothesis is a concept or idea that you test through research and experiments. So if you understand it is good what is hypothesis, if you need more to learn about hypothesis, you may also learn from my videos available on YouTube channel. Hypothesis is a statement or should be written point wise. In second part of this chart, write objectives. Firstly, decide local area problem and then frame hypothesis, and on the basis of hypothesis frame objectives. You have already written in your project file. Write objectives point wise. In the third part of this chart, write methodology. In objectives, you have to write what you did. Objectives can also be defined as concise statements that describe what the research is aiming to achieve. In methodology, you have to write how you did. Explain briefly. A methodology is a broad approach to data collection. So, hypothesis, objective and methodology are described clearly and briefly. On chart 3, draw tables and graphs and diagrams under the heading experiment, survey and observation. So what you have performed, whether experiment, survey or observation, you find out results, and these results are data for you. So you have to organize data in tables and represent data in the form of graphs and diagrams. Now your data is converted into meaningful data. You have to analyze this data with the help of these tables and graph. After this is chart number 4. In this chart, write down result and conclusion. It should be written point wise. Write only those result and conclusions which can be drawn on the basis of analysis of data in chart 3. After this heading, write solution of the problem. This is an important part and try to write it down point wise, and solution should be drawn from analysis of data from your research work. After this heading, write references. References should be written point wise. So learn how to write references. It is a detailed description of the source of information that you want to give credit. It is the secondary data included in the project report that you want to give credit. After reference, under heading of enclosure, paste 2-3 evidences that shows your teamwork and your evidence of work. It includes photograph, newspaper cuttings, etc. So when you prepared all 4 charts, then on the basis of these charts, prepare oral presentation of 8 minutes. If you want to learn more how to prepare oral presentation, subscribe my channel and watch videos on my YouTube channel, the National Children's Science Congress by Dr. Vijay Kumar. Thank you very much.